Alright, welcome guys. We were able to see in our last tutorial the section, how to use a section, and that's what we did, and we've been able to collapse this our slides into different sections. Now we can see all of them. We're going to quickly look at how to change the style of our font and also the size. So we'll begin with the style. Always remember you have to select the text of which you want to change the style. You want to change the style of. And so here we have our font styles. These are the different styles we have. Not all fonts you have here are going to also appear on every system. It all depends on the type of font you have. You can also install font. You check for my tutorial about font, how to install font, then you see how to install your font. Here I'm going to use Berlin. Now in using Berlin for my introduction, you notice it's giving me 2 lines, but I still want to maintain 1 line, so I can decide I would want to expand the border. And so that is it. I'll also change this, changing the style of right. I'm okay with this. Now I'm not going to really look at the font too much. I can just let me keep it at 72. Let's make this the tech police to a little bit bigger. 28 is fine. Next, what we have is our bold, italic, and underline. I'll just quickly play with this and then we'll check out the font color, and then I'll let you do the rest of them. Now for bold, is just to make your font alright. You notice that the fonts got thicker, and then that's that. The fonts are already big. This font is already a bold font, and so that's why you don't notice it there. If I change this font to Adobe Arabic and then I make a bold, you see that it becomes thicker. But I don't want to use that. I want to use my Berlin Sans, and then so this is how to change the font style and the font size. Making bold. Okay, let me underline this. This is for underline. I've underlined my style, my introduction, and then I'm going to make the auto italic. Let me give it a shadow, text shadow, so it's now stylish. Remember, what we're trying to do is just playing around with our font. giving it style to what is going to make it look presentable. This is just black and white right now. By the time we'll be through with our font and our colors, our designs, this should look more presentable than it is right now. Now next we're going to look at is it's the color. Alright, before I talk about color, this is just how to increase your font and how to reduce your font. So it's the same thing using the font size. You can either decide to grow or to shrink it, to decrease or to increase it. Now the change of case, where you have to change from, it's presently in a default. If I make it sentence case, you notice that only the first letter is a capital and the rest of them are small letters. I come back here, I use lowercase. Everything is small letter, that's lowercase. If I choose uppercase, you see everything is in uppercase. And if I use to capitalize each word, the first letter of every word, the first letter of every word is in capital letter, that is in uppercase. While if we do toggle, it's the opposite, the reverse of the title, each word. So in this case, the small letter is going to be the first letter is going to be in lowercase, while the rest is going to be in uppercase. But what I want to do is similar to capitalize each word, and so I'm going to leave it at capitalize each word. What I did at first was tool was in small letter, which is lowercase. Okay, I think I should start using lowercase instead of small letters. And so now I'm using this is what I prefer. I don't know what you would want to use as your own design. So that is all for change of case. I would use the color blue for this. All right, and I'm also going to use a different color, orange. Now using the orange, you notice the shadow is more glaring. You can see it's clearer using a different color from black. I think I would also love my introduction to have a shadow. Yes. Remember, like I said, all we're doing is styling. I would allow you to take your time, style the rest of your documents, of your slide, one after the other, and then we're going to come back to alignment and the rest of them for home ribbon. If you enjoyed watching this, I would like you to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe. Thanks for watching.